is Trupti Kiran Bode. I am from Husarwal, and today topic is a method in Java. And first of all, what is Java? Java is a popular and simple and platform independent language. This language is very popular in world, and today market have many jobs available in this Java programming, Java development, and Java is used for a web application, mobile application, and server, etc. And this is very important language because, and in general, a method is a way to perform some task. Perform some tasks. Similarly, the method in Java is a collection of instructions that are allows to perform a specific task. It provides the reusability of code, and this is very important. Reusability of code is very important. We can also easily modify code using methods. In this section, we will learn what is a method in Java, types of method in Java, method declaration, and how to call a Java method in Java. First of all, what is method in Java? And a method is a block of code or collection of statement, or a set of code is very grouped of the together because it is very fastly to run and perform a certain task or operation, and it is used to achieve the reusability of code. We write a method once and use it many times in Java. We do not require to write a code again and again. It is written only once time. It can provide the easy modification and reliability of code just by adding or removing a chunk of code. The method is executed only when we call or invoke it, because the most important method in Java is the main method. Main method is very important, and declaration to the method, and declaration provides information about Java method. Main method attributes such as visibility, return types, name, and argument. This is the argument. This has the 6 components that are known as a method. And head method name. Method name, it is the unique name that is used to define the name of the method, and it must be corresponding to the functionality of the method. And suppose we are creating a method for subtraction of two numbers, and the number name must be subtraction bracket. A method is invoked by its name, maybe method body. And what is method body? It is a part of the method declaration, and it contains all the action to be performed. And predefined method and user defined method. This is the 2 types of method. And predefined method is Java predefined method are the method that is already defined in Java libraries and Java class. And Java library is also known as a predefined method, and it is also known as the standard library method or built-in method. And user defined method is user defined means the method written by a user or programmer is known as a user defined method, and this is very important method by user, and this method are modified according to the requirement for user. And this is the method in Java. And thank you.